welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Ambitious ang Lakwachera. So, wala munang lakwatsa today and we will be unboxing kung ano yung mga nabili ko at Watsons. So, let's take a look what's inside this bag. So, mamaya na ito. Mamaya na to.
You have to get the products.
Yeah, so I bought some products. I bought some products from Watsons. Yan. Ano muna natin na? Yung dalawa.
Yes, I know.
Same items. Yan. Para makikita natin.
When I showed.
Hindi lang na. Kaya ito lang nagamit na ni. This one. And this one.
There's so many.
There's so many items. Ano muna natin. Kasi sobrang dami kasing pakulo ang SM. Watsons.
Mana, oh.
Eh.
Took all the products.
So, all the products.
Why is there so many resibo?
Yeah, yulabay na lang this one.
Yeah, later.
Yulabay all the resibo, okay? Yulabay the resibo ko.
Wait.
Yan. Yulabay. Okay. So, next is we will show ano yung mga nabili natin sa Watsons. Here at Watsons! So, of course, guys, we have the Dio Pros. It's Dio Pros.
Is that it? You
Rice
have that.
collagen. Yeah, you keep it this one. So, I'm using this moisturizer on my face. This is Dio Pros Rice Collagen. So, this is buy one, take one. So, minsan lang mag buy one, take one si Dio Pros, guys. Kaya, i-avail na natin. Of course, we have the Dio Pros. It's firming moisturizer. So, I use it every morning and, of course, before going to bed. Ayan. Ay, nako. Masyadong gabi kasi, guys.
How about this
Bakit
one?
naman sira to, guys? Ito na lang. And also, another one, we have the Snail Galac Revital Toner.
I found
So,
it.
this is also for morning and nighttime. So, kaninang umaga, ginamit ko na siya. So, ito yung kanyang laman. O, diba? Toner for anti-wrinkle. Oh. I-try natin. Baka naman yung ating skin ay kuminis. No? So, this is my first time to try this. This is my first time to try this Snail Galac Revital Toner. Ayan. This is their new version of toner ng Dio Pros.
Nice.
Next, of course, we have their serum.
Is it?
Ay, by the way, guys, this is also buy one,
Take
take one.
If there's two, it's buy one, take one.
Yes. Next. Ano nasa siya?
Oh, guys.
Also, we have the Rice Collagen Serum. Yeah. It's a firming ampule. This is a serum, guys. This can also be used tawag nito, morning and nighttime.
That's your first time you got
Yan.
that.
Yes.
We don't have it.
And also, I also have, dahil madami akong blemishes or dami akong dark spots, I also bought this, ano ba to? Some by me, Yuha Niacin. This has already a niacinamide and vitamins.
You mean this
Ayan.
one?
So, it's not buy one, take one, pero nag-restock lang po ako. I am restocking on this because it really helps, especially if you're stressed. So, nakikita yan sa mukha, guys. Tulad
I
ngayon,
see some
kakauwi ko
here.
lang. Very stressful yung aking face. So, sana naman maging effective yung ating Dio Pros na bagong bili. And with this, use it like 3 times a week. But sometimes, makalimutan dahil sa masyadong busy, masyadong tamad na pag-uwi. So, facial, ano na lang, wash. So, parang tinatamad lang maglagay ng ganito kasi you have to put this on your face like 20 minutes. Yan. It's good for face with blemishes. Diba? Ano ba ito? Nahirig man ni.
I think,
Yan. And then next is, of course, I have Kate Zero Filling Powder Foundation. Kate, it's a Japanese brand.
what?
Today kasi nag-foundation ako. Ito yung first time gamit ko. Just today. Pero kasi gabi na. Oh, diba?
What's inside?
It has a matte effect. Tapos, I have the lipstick. It's also a Kate lipstick. It's Lip Monster number 6 kasi gusto ko yung red lips talaga. Red na red ang lips. Kaya, I bought this lipstick. So, talagang ano siya. Yung lipstick na ito ay ito nito parang ano ba? Yung nag-glossy yung lips mo ba? Oh, ayan. Bagong-bago pa. Ayan. In this one, also, I have this facial wash. Yan kasi ang mukha ko dito. Hindi kasi nag-buy one take one yung Deopros na facial wash. Deopros din yung gamit ko na facial wash. Okay naman siya sa mukha ko. Kaya lang, medyo pricey. Walang buy one take one. Kaya hindi ako bumili. Yun is. And then, this one. Ito na lang. I also use this Garnier. Then, maganda din siya sa skin. So, bumili ako. And, bago ko kasi nalaman na nag-buy one take one ng serum ng Deopros. Nakabili na ako ng mas nauna ko nabili ang Garnier na serum. So, okay din to sa mukha ko, guys. I have an oily skin. Oily yung face ko. And this works for me. And dahil si Deopros, give up ko kasi yung si Deopros before kasi nga dahil masyadong pricey siya. But this time kasi nag-buy one take one. So, sino ba namang hindi mag-grab ng opportunity? Kasi paminsan-minsan lang sila. So, ayan, ito. Pwede din to sa mukha ko. Nauna itong binili. Ito din si YOU nag-offer kasi nag-sale. Though I have not tried YOU. Pero dahil nag-sale lang YOU, same lang naman siya with vitamin C. So, you'll see if ano sa mukha natin. Ayan. And then I have the Lux Organics Fragrance Secret Desire. Ayan. So, madaming variants ng tawag nito, fragrances ang Lux Organics. Hindi siya ganun kamahalan. Kayang-kaya naman. Affordable naman din siya. But this is good. Yung amoy niya maganda din. And, ito din, ang tomato glass skin. Tingnan mo yung lotion ko na. Bigay mo sa akin.
That was the small one?
Yeah. This is the tomato glass skin 3-in-1 vitamin C soothing gel lotion. Ito. Nag-sale din kasi bumili ako. But, ito talaga yung lotion ko. Ayan o. Paubos na din siya. It's my, parang bago ko lang siya na-discover. Pero before, ang sister ko, nung nasa Watson pa yung sister ko, lagi talaga niya siya nasabi, Ate, bumili ka talaga ng tomato. Pero, ngayon lang talaga ako naka-try. So far naman, maganda naman sa skin din ito. We will see kung talaga bang mag-glass skin. Kasi, ano pa to, mga ilang months pa akong gumamit. Parang 2 months, pero hindi siya maubos. Kaya, bumili ako dito dahil nagsisale din. Next is, ito yung request ng sister ko. Lux Organics. Kasi hiyang sa skin kasi niya. The Lux Organics Aloe Vera and Snail Soothing Gel. Ito naman yun.
Should I give it to mommy?
Before, guys, buy one take one sila talaga. But now, walang buy one take one. So, naka-regular price ito. Kaya naman. Di naman gasyadong kamahalan din. Pero yes, I have tried Lux Organics products as well before. Ako nag-Deopros. Before ako nag-Garnier. Yes, Lux Organics is also good naman. I've tried their yung kanilang mask, yung face wash, yung kanilang collagen na serum, ganyan na. Na-try ko yan lahat ng Lux Organics. Okay naman siya sa face ko. Pero kasi guys, as we age, of course, kailangan natin ng mukhang bata. So yan, ibalik ulit ako sa Deopros. Yan. And dahil sa madami-dami yung nabili natin sa Watsons, of course, I got 4 freebies na bag. Ano tayo na?
That's a Powerpuff
Powerpuff
Girls.
Girls. Yeah. So I have 4 of this. 2 of this color.
It's so
Yes.
nice. I wanna see.
This one, 1 and 2. Ayan. So, meron na silang certain amount ba makakuha ko dito. Then, I have the black. 2 black then. So, overall, I have 4 bags. Powerpuff din. So, maganda dito pang beach or maybe pang grocery na lang din. No? Pwede ko siyang dalhin. You go to Carbon, you go to groceries, no? Pang shopping. You can bring this. No, para hindi na tayo bibili agad lagi ng ito yan? Ano yung bag? Kasi tawag ng bag, day? Eco bag. So, instead of eco bag, ito na lang ang gawin natin. So, yes, I have 4. Diba? Oh. Tada! So, yan. Madami kasing pakulok, guys. Daming buy one take one na yun. Kaya grab na natin ang mga buy one take one. Yun. So, that's all guys. Paldo muna tayo this December. Napaldo din dahil sa mga pa-sale sure ba ng SM Watsons or Watsons at SM. So, that's it. That's all. And nasayahan ba kayo guys? So, those items I mentioned or those, tawag nito, skincare I mentioned, depende na sa inyo kung ano ang hiyang sa skin ninyo. Ako, super hiyang naman ako sa Lux Organics, hiyang din ako sa Garnier, hiyang din ako sa Geopros. So, yun lang. But the Geopros has a upgraded version. So, we will try this. Ito talaga. Ayan. Just one. Yun. Buy one, take one. And buy one, take one. Yan. And also this one is buy one, take one.
How about this?
Yung numbering pala guys, if you wonder, ano yung mga number ma'am nandiyan sa gilid? So yung parang coding nila sa para, for example, serum, number 3. Si moisturizer, it's number, tawag nito, 4, ganan. Facial wash, iba naman number. Ganyan. So that's all for my Watsons bottles. So that's all guys, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video of Ambitious ang Lakwatsera. So, pagwapa muna tayo guys. Wala mo ng lakwatsa. Dahil pagwapa muna tayo dahil parang tumatanda na rin tayo. So, it's time to give time to our skincare. To look young. Okay. See you in my next video. Bye! Okay, you give the mami na.
Okay. Dako man na gini ito.
Bye! Muna siya.
Dani ka sa lagi ng tomato.
Bye, lotion ni. Bye!
Ang sanit kadaghan ba?